comes alive. Every stroke, a story untold, a dance of hues both bright and bold. Morning light, new dreams awake, shapes and shades in every break. Palette speaks, emotions flow. In the art, our spirits grow. Art takes us on a ride, painting skies. Hearts open wide through the lines, dreams we find, colors dancing in our mind. Brushes whisper, secrets shared, lines and layers, none compare. In the moment we take flight, art ignites the darkest night. Story of life on the screen, every image feels so keen. Journey bound with every hue, in the art we find anew. Art takes us on a ride, painting skies. Hearts open wide through the lines, dreams we find, colors dancing in our mind.
Raindrops dancing on the window pane, breathing in the fresh scent of grass. Our hearts tangled in this gentle refrain, moments like fleeting echoes of glass. Art flaming in your eyes like a painter's dream. Passion ignites beneath the clouded skies. The world melts away like sugar in a stream. In this rain-soaked haven, love never dies. We move like shadows in this rain's embrace. The lightning lighting the path we trace. Lips whisper secrets the breeze can't erase. Hand in hand we find our place. The storm rages, but we stay serene in the orchestration of nature's song. Every droplet a note in the scene, where our love eternally belongs. The aroma of earth rises pure, swirling in the fresh rainforest air. Love grows like wildflowers obscure. In this moment nothing else compares.